It's Thredup Thursday, and that means we will be opening a Thredup rescue box today. Welcome everyone. Happy New Year. My name is Christina, if you're new here, and I am a part-time reseller all over the place, you guys, here on my YouTube channel, eBay, Poshmark, The Real Real, Depop, and Mercari. And I bring content to this channel from a part-time perspective. One of my favorite things to do, aside from opening mystery jewelry boxes, is to open Thredup rescue boxes. So today we are going to kick off the new year with one of my favorites, the DIY designer rescue box. This is the most recent one that I've gotten. And of course, it's coming to us from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. So before I cut the tape on this box, which it's right here, it's one of the bigger ones, you guys. But it's not super heavy. So I'm hoping that maybe there's some shoes in there and a bag, but it feels very lightweight. So we'll just have to see what Thredup sent me. Before we get into the unboxing, I always like to point out what I'm wearing. Today I am sporting a turquoise and malachite look, and it all kind of started with this turquoise heart that I got from a friend. It's gorgeous. One of my favorite things in my collection. I put that on my Tiffany popcorn chain. I mean, because it deserves a gorgeous chain, right? And then I paired it with this turquoise and malachite necklace I got from my friend Brighton. And then this amazing malachite necklace I got from my friend Lindsay over at Lindsay Clark. Now, I was able to pull this whole thing together with a pair of earrings I thrifted at my local thrift. I picked up these amazing tax coat earrings that are malachite and turquoise. So we are ready to film. Oh, I also thrifted this jean jacket when I was in Virginia with Brighton. So I'm all decked out and ready to go, hoping for really good luck in this Thredup designer box. So let's cut the tape and get into it. If you aren't subscribed to the channel and you like reselling content, you like mystery unboxings, make sure to hit that subscribe button, you guys. I'm getting closer and closer to 3K, and I plan on doing an amazing giveaway when I get there. So hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. So as with typical Mechanicsburg boxes, there was just one piece of tape on the front of this. So we will open the top. There's my receipt. Let's see, I ordered this one on December the 11th, and it literally just arrived a couple days ago. So it took a little while to get here. Not horribly long, but longer than some of the other boxes, I feel like. If you aren't familiar with these designer boxes from Thredup, you get 7 DIY designer items, or luxe items is what the description says now. That can mean that they are damaged, they need cleaning, maybe they're missing a size. You can get high designer items, you can get more luxe items. So you get 7 of these items for $140 plus shipping, which is $9.99, and of course, sales tax in your state. So it is a pretty high cost of goods, but I've had fairly good luck lately. Hope I'm not jinxing myself. So I'm hoping that maybe we can find something in here to send in for my next consignment to The Real Real. I will put up the new promotion that they have going on this month. I'm going to try to hit that one. I did the one for November. I will bring an update on that. They are still putting my listings up. They're still not even all up for my November consignment, you guys. And then I took part in the consignment for December, and I'm going to try to hit the one for January. I like kind of like their little challenges they have every month, and then you get an extra like credit to spend on their site, which of course, you know, I love doing that. If you've never consigned to The Real Real and you're interested, feel free to ask any questions that you want about that. I do try to bring some Real Real content when I open these designer boxes, and maybe by the time I do my next box, I will have an update on my November consignment. They do have a referral program now, so if you are a new consigner and you want to send something in, you can use my link down in the description. It will automatically get you a $100 credit, and then I also get a credit to shop, so it's like a win-win. And that's kind of a newer thing they're doing, so hopefully they continue doing that, you guys. All right, so we have the little ornament or winter tissue. If it wasn't a big box, I would like give you guys like the first peek, but it's kind of big. Okay, so first peeks, looks like a lot of clothing. Maybe we've got a scarf up here. I love boxes that have a lot of variety. I like getting, of course, a handbag, you guys, shoes, accessory, and a clothing. So hopefully we at least got an accessory in this one. I'm going to pause to take a thumbnail, and I will be right back, and we'll continue to see what Thredup sent me. All right, let's get started. And if there is anything that you see that you want to purchase out of this box, I do sell directly from my videos. Just send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. Typically on designer boxes, I will have the price posted on the screen, and then I just invoice through PayPal and ship to you directly. All right, so we're going to pull this first clothing item off the top. It's got a really beautiful floral print, almost like a little bit of a graphic or an abstract. And this one is by Marni. It says made in Italy. It's in a beautiful like olive green background. Looks like it's a knee length right there. And it looks like it's a smaller size. Let's see if we can find the size. Zipper works. It is lined on the inside. Okay. See if we can find a size on this. Okay, here's one of the issues is that there is a tear in the lining right here. Okay, so that is one of the problems with this dress. Second problem may be that there's no size in here. So I may have to do measurements if there, here's a tag, let's see. Oh, this is a size 40, so that's good. Made in Italy. Here's the interior tags. Just like that. So really nice. There is a small tear, like I said, in the lining, but other than that, this one's in great shape. So I will have a price on the screen for the Marni. Love that one. All right, next, let me give you guys another peek. Like I was kind of thinking that this is a scarf, but I'm not sure. And this kind of looks like a scarf. So maybe at least one of those could be an accessory. Although half the time I think there's a scarf, I pull it out, it's not. So we'll see. All right, let's go ahead and pull this out, you guys. Ooh, okay. When was the last time I got an authentication tag, you all? Like never. And you guys, this is a Burberry. OMG. Oh, I hope it's in good condition. And this is a lightweight scarf. Okay, it's in a cream. And it's got the tassel edges here, cream, and you've got your red and black, like plaid. I do see some stains on the cream, like throughout, like right here. If you can see that. I don't see any holes. Oh, this is amazing. I actually have a Burberry scarf that is a wool, like a winter one, and y'all know I almost never wear it, maybe once a season, because it doesn't really get cold here. I kind of want to keep this, you guys. I don't know. I'm going to think about it because I love this, and I will either put keeping on the screen or I will have a price on the screen if you're interested. This is amazing. I've never gotten a Burberry scarf in any of my boxes. I've always hoped for one actually, but never gotten one. So super thrilled with this one. That is awesome. Okay, that just made the whole box for me personally. Okay, next up, and I'm just gonna peek in here. I don't see any shoes. I don't see any shoes, just clothing and the scarf. Okay, next up, we have a skirt. It's like a pencil skirt. Feels like it could be wool. Beautiful, beautiful material. Oh, and this one is Balenciaga, and it says below it, Bergdorf Goodman. It is in a size 42. It's handwritten on here. That beautiful. Let's make sure the zipper works. It does. And let me see if I see a materials tag. It is lined on the inside. and it is 100% wool. The lining is 100% silk. So one of the things that I definitely recommend if you are going to send in clothing to the RealReal is to make sure before you send something in, even if it looks like it's in perfect condition, that you turn it inside out, because they do turn the clothing inside out and inspect it. So if there happens to be a stain or a light tear in the lining of something, they will not accept it. So you got to make sure you turn it inside out. See, like here, there's 2 holes in the lining. So they may or may not accept that. Sometimes they'll overlook some flaws on what they consider maybe more sellable brands. So this is something that maybe I'll try and just see, but I don't know. Maybe one of you guys wants it. It's really nice. This would be a great piece to wear like to the office. So I will have a price on the screen for this one. So Balenciaga doesn't sell, I don't feel like, as well as it used to. But that is considered more of a high designer brand, and so is Burberry. So I feel like we got some good brands so far. Okay, it looks like we've got maybe one more clothing, maybe a scarf, I'm not sure, and maybe a coat in the bottom. Okay, oh, okay, so this isn't a scarf. Looks like we have maybe a dress. What's going on here? No, wait a minute. What is this? Is this a shirt? I don't know. We're going to figure it out though. All right, we've got Dolce Gabbana, another really good designer brand. This is also in a size 40, so we are getting some good sizes. This is 60% silk and 40% wool. So I would imagine that these parts are wool and this part is silk. Here's your tag. Let's check for any flaws. So I'm guessing, oh yeah, there's some holes here up in the wool around the neckline. Of course, your hair would go over that, so I don't know that that's that big of a deal, but that's not really something that I can send into the RealReal. So it looks like it's a turtleneck, okay? And then this part is the silk part, okay, that you put your arms through. And then the rest of it is wool. It's really cool. I'll have to see if I can find a stock photo of this and put it on the screen. Let's see if I see any other flaws on this. Wait a minute. Why does it go like this? There's another tag. Very confused. I'm not sure how this works, okay? And it is full of holes, you guys. Full. So that's super disappointing. It's a great brand to get, but look at those holes, you guys. So this would definitely have to be a piece that you would repurpose, because you can't wear it like that. Okay. So great brand. Damage is disappointing. All right, next up, another piece of clothing. Looks like we have a little sweater, and this is by Chloe. All right, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful cream sweater. Looks like there's a stain on it. Looks like there's a stain here on the front, right here. Okay. It's got a lighter pattern on the top, and then the bottom of the sleeve is this thicker weave along through here. Let's see if I can find a size on this one. Oh, there's also a hole. So, boo. That's not good. I don't see a size. Oh, wait. There are tags, but they are cut right here. So I don't know the size. I can put a pit to pit on the screen for this, and there is a hole on the side. I guess the good thing is it is right in the seaming. So this is an easy repair, but it still does have damage. So I'll have, and a stain. Okay. So I will have the measurements and the price on the screen for that one. All right. So last item, you guys. Looks like we have a coat. I do love getting coats. I sent most of my remaining designer coats into the RealReal in my November shipment, and they priced them all really well, you guys. the Montclair coat that I got out of a designer box that I did with Steph over at the Steph Style. I did send into the Real. You guys, they priced it for over $1,000. So I'm hoping it sells high. Okay, it hasn't sold yet. But that was a great find. So I love getting coats in these boxes. And we'll see what this one is. It's very heavy. So that's nice. You guys, we got another Burberry. Yay, this one's Burberry London. And this is gorgeous. Let's see what size this is. Inside there is a tag that says Burberry Specialty Duffel Coating made in England. It got a Burberry London tag on the inside. Let's see if it has a size. It could be in the pocket, so we'll check that too. This is 100% wool, and it does also say made in England. So let's check the interior pocket. And it looks like there is a tag in here, right here. It looks to be a size 10, and it's got an order number, which I can't read. Okay, so let's check. I feel like it's maybe a little dingy around the edges. Okay, there's a stain here. All right, and maybe a little bit of like stain on the inside. Oh, but it's gorgeous. It's real. I wish you guys could feel this through the camera. It's really nice. There's another stain here. I don't know if these will come out. I mean, this needs to be like dry cleaned. It's got a detachable hood. Beautiful. Here's the back. Really nice. Okay, let's check the other side. I love these little like loops for the buttons. I think that's adorable. This is a great coat, you guys. It does need some cleaning, but structurally it's in great shape. So I will have an as-is price on the screen for the Burberry coat. It is beautiful. I absolutely love this coat. And I'm so happy we got 2 Burberry items. Burberry sells Burberry. Oh, wait. There's something else in the bottom of the box, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Floating around. I almost missed it. We have a watch. This one is Michael Kors. It's not in great shape, as I feel like a lot of the... Why is it that the Michael Kors watches I get in like a jewelry box are in really good shape, and the ones I get in a designer box are in not great shape? Okay. So you've got this beautiful gold watch by Michael Kors. Look at the little inset. I'm assuming like CZs or something here. We are missing 3 that I'm spotting right off the bat. 2 here and 1 here. There is some tone loss up here at the top of the watch. Okay. It is not ticking, so presuming it just needs a new battery, but don't know for sure. There is some scratching and wear to the back here. So I will do a price on the screen for this one. All right, so we did get 2 accessories. We got a watch and we got a scarf. Okay, so we got the watch for 1, the Burberry coat for 2. We got the Chloe sweater for 3. We got the Dolce & Gabbana, I'm not sure what it is, for 4. We got the Balenciaga skirt for 5. The Burberry skirt for 6. And the Marni dress for 7. So we got some great designer brands in this box, although they do have some damage. But I'm not mad about it, you guys. I'm very happy with this box. Anytime I can get a coat, like a designer coat, that typically will pay for the box. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. Drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you thought of this box. And Happy New Year, you guys. Make sure to come back next week. I will be doing more jewelry on Tuesday. and next Thursday for another Thredup Thursday. Bye, y'all.